as we can see, the super swing going in, but again it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on either side, so it's 12 person, and it's, well, seeing the size of the forklift in front of it there, not exactly huge. At the other side we've got the rocking tugboat, and again that is tiny. They're obviously putting the barriers up. And behind that we've got the old carousel, which is the old one that they've moved from the bottom end to the top end. Entrance through the arcade now. So you come out of the arcade and what you've got is kind of a big expanse. The old Galaxy ride. New speakers everywhere for the music, very loud. Next to that is you've got the paid for trampoline. I'm sure that was £6 yesterday, but it's now £7 today. It's been the old swing chairs. Again, been given a lick of paint and a touch up, some new lights. Looks okay. The old winner prize every time, 3, 4, 5 quid a go. 2 goes 5 quid. Again, not bright or impressive. Quite dull really, kind of a dull blue colour. It's a bit better than the treat stall. Again, everything looks like it's had a lick of paint, and the go-karts in the background there, paid for. The karts themselves are exactly the same, but it's all been kind of brightened up. The dodgems, they've all been painted up, got some new lighting. But same old dodgem cars. Nothing new on the actual dodgems themselves. They've not even polished them. You know, some new lights in the dodgems themselves, a bit of polish or a bit of paint. But no, it's the Wurlitz, so it looks like it's had a bit of treatment, a bit of paint on it. But certainly not ready for action yet. Again, I think that's just about in the same location it was in. Oh no, they've moved it into the carousel's location, so they've just moved things about a little bit. this must be the new ellipse ride, and as you can see, it's been constructed. I think it's about the most exciting of the new rides that they're having installed. So it looks like it's going to have a spin, an up and down, and a swivel over, so the seats will move, it'll spin round and tipple over. 12 riders at a time, 6 on each, 3 on each row, 6 on each arm, 12 riders in total. So that's the new ellipse. Super swing again. Not actually seeing it in operation. I assume it's just a 360 swing with a rocking motion. At least these have got lights on them and stuff, and you can see they're new. They may be reconditioned. And then we've got one of these drop towers. Orbiter, is it? I think it's called. It's not huge, but it's good enough for the kiddie winks. Morning. So there's the carousel, which has been moved down, which is a nice big ride. Traditional circus ride. Again, in relation to each other, we've got that next to the new drop tower, next to the new super swing, which I've just been informed by these guys is opening in about 10 minutes. Don't think we'll be going on it today. Okay, the rocking tugboat. I've seen these before. Slide up and down, and then in this case they actually spin round as well. So although they're quite small rides, probably quite exciting for, especially for the little ones, because it spins round. So quite a lot of action there. And again, the rest of the fairground. So that's the super swing, the rocking tugboat, the orbiter, the repositioned carousel, and the drop tower. And over there is the Santa Fe train, and probably the one that's going to have the biggest queues, maybe not, is this ellipse. So obviously getting it constructed at the moment, probably be very, very good. So speaking to the guys there, they said for instance, one of them will be opening today. I would imagine that yes, they will all be open by Easter 2023 easily, if not before. As you can see, work going on at Butlins for the new sky park that they're building. This is behind the old activity centre. Towers the building, I assume the slides and things. So scheduled opening is Easter 2023. Whether it will be or not, I don't know. Hopefully. Seem to be getting on with it in all weathers. Certainly an interesting new area. To say it's behind the old, well, not the old, but behind the activity studio, opposite the little supermarket, if you know, Butlins, Skegness. So that's our look around the new fairground attractions at Butlins, Skegness 2023. See you all on the next one. Bye. 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 Yeah, the boys don't talk much. They are with me. Oh. No? Okay. Just me then. Bye.